Hey there, tech enthusiasts! Welcome back to Product Critique, your go-to channel for in-depth reviews of the latest gadgets and gizmos. Today, we've got something special lined up for all you gamers out there. The Cooler Master GM2711S gaming monitor. Let's dive right in and see what this beauty has to offer. First off, let's talk specs. The Cooler Master GM2711S boasts a 27-inch IPS QHD display with a refresh rate of 180 Hz. That means buttery smooth visuals, whether you're gaming or binge-watching your favorite shows. And with adaptive sync and HDR400 support, you're guaranteed a stunning, tear-free experience with vibrant colors and deep contrasts. Now, let's talk about design. The GM2711S sports a sleek and minimalistic design that'll look right at home on any gaming setup. With slim bezels and a fully adjustable stand, you can easily find the perfect viewing angle for those long gaming sessions. And let's not forget about the Art Film anti-reflection coating, which does an excellent job of cutting down on glare and reflections, even in bright environments. But enough about looks, let's talk performance. The GM2711S is an absolute powerhouse when it comes to gaming. With its precise overdrive and high motion resolution, you'll never miss a beat, even in the most fast-paced games. And thanks to its support for both FreeSync and G-Sync, you can say goodbye to screen tearing and stuttering for good. One of the standout features of the GM2711S is its premium video processing and color accuracy. Whether you're editing photos or diving into the latest AAA titles, you can trust that the colors you see on screen are true to life and accurate. And with its wide gamut coverage of 92% DCI-P3, you'll experience rich, vibrant colors like never before. Now, let's break it down with some pros and cons. On the plus side, we've got vividly saturated and accurate color, premium video processing, and solid build quality. However, it's worth noting that there's no sRGB mode and the contrast is a bit below average. But overall, the Cooler Master GM2711S offers fantastic value for money. So, there you have it, folks. The Cooler Master GM2711S gaming monitor. With its stunning visuals, premium features, and affordable price tag, it's a no-brainer for gamers looking to take their setup to the next level. Thanks for tuning in to Product Critique, and until next time, happy gaming!